Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your phone and positioning yourself so the QR code is well lit and steady. Open the camera app or tap Google Lens if available. Both read QR codes natively on most Android phones. Once done, make sure camera permissions are allowed for the app so it can access the lens. You don't need third-party software in most cases. Hold the phone about 6-12 inches away and center the code in the viewfinder so the camera can focus quickly. With the camera open, center the QR code inside the frame and keep the phone steady. The scanner typically reads within 1-2 seconds. If Google Lens appears, tap its icon to analyze the code and show details. Once the code is recognized, a notification or pop-up displays the link, text, or contact. Tap it to open. If the camera has trouble focusing, tap the screen on the code area or adjust distance slightly. This helps when small or damaged codes need clearer focus. After the scanner shows the result, tap it to open a website, add a contact, or copy the text. Make sure you review any URL before tapping. If the camera app repeatedly fails, install a reputable QR scanner or use Google Lens app for advanced recognition. If problems persist, clean the lens, increase ambient light, remove reflections, restart the camera app, and verify camera permissions. These steps usually fix reading errors, so you can scan reliably every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.